So this one is to be the question, mfumo wa kutengeneza maswali. Kama unataka kuuliza swali, je, haukuwa, je, haikuwa, je, swali halikuwa refu, halikuwa gumu, right? Je, haukuwa mwanafunzi, je, haikuwa ngumu kwa wewe, je, maisha hakuwa magumu wakati ulipokuwa Tanga, oops, like that. So kama unataka kutengeneza maswali, we start with the word was or were, then not, was not, were not. I, he, she, na it was not. You and they were not. So was not I, was not he, was not she, was not it, were not you. T kutana Sunday J, we say you. Were not you, were not we, were not they. Ili kamilike, je, haikuwa, haukuwa, akisha mbele umeka noun, jina or adjective. Kama ukiweka neno lingine, inago katika maana nyingine huko, right? Pengine silete hata maana. Were not you a student? Je, haukuwa mwanafunzi? Were not they your friends? Je, haukuwa rafiki zako? Wasn't it difficult you? Je, haikuwa ngumu kwako, right? So hivyo ndivyo jinsi ya kutengeneza maelezo na maswali. Kama kawaida, contraction inafanyika katika the word au, and then we put a apostrophe here. We say wasn't, weren't. Wasn't it difficult you? Je, ikuwa ngumu kwako? Weren't they your friends? Je, hawakuwa rafiki zako? So hivi ndivyo jinsi ya kutengeneza maelezo na maswali yake katika mfumo sahihi ambao